What's going on, Periscope? I am still waiting on this doggone tow truck to come and get my vehicle out of the snow. As you can tell, it's stuck in the snow, and it is right in front of my house. So I don't know what's going on. Yeah. Thank you so much. I'm fine. At least I'm right in front of the house. But yeah, I'm stuck in the snow, and I can't go to bed until I find out something from these tow truck people. So yeah, this is what I'm doing tonight. So yeah. So how's everyone doing this evening? What are you guys up to? You guys enjoying this cold weather like I am? Enjoying this beautiful, beautiful weather. Yeah. So, yeah. Sirocco joined the room. Welcome to the room, Sirocco. Thank you guys for joining me. So yeah, I'm just waiting on this tow truck to come. Seems like it's gonna be an all-night thing, and I am very, very ready to go to bed. So looks like that won't be happening anytime soon. So all right, you guys take it easy, and probably talk to you guys tomorrow.